It's that time of the year. The bugs are flying, the ones that we can't see, and many of our little ones are experiencing ear infections. A common prescribed procedure for this are antibiotics. Antibiotics are an appropriate procedure or prescribed drug when the infection is due to a bacterial in nature. When it's non-bacterial and it's viral, antibiotics don't work. They don't work at healing the viral infection. When antibiotics are prescribed, it's just as important, and quite frankly a disservice, if probiotics are not spoken of. Antibiotics will destroy the normal flora in our intestinal tract. 70% of our natural immune system is in our gut. And when that's compromised, we're liable to get other infections and the sickness can linger for a long time. Probiotics are a natural way of helping to reestablish the normal flora in our intestinal tract for an optimal immune system. Probiotics are the best when they come from fermented foods. Fermented foods are things like unpasteurized sauerkraut or unpasteurized unfiltered apple cider vinegar, just as a couple of examples to name a few. If you Google fermented foods or probiotic foods, you'll find a lot of information. Now, if an infection in the ear occurs viral in nature, a great way to treat this, which has been prescribed to my own children by their medical provider, something called colloidal silver. Colloidal silver is a natural antimicrobial agent. It's basically a silver ion that's placed in a liquid form, and you put a few drops in the ear. It acts as an antimicrobial to kill the virus. Virus can't survive in that type of an environment. And providing large doses of vitamin D and vitamin C also help to stimulate the natural immune system in our body to deal with this infection. Speaking from a personal standpoint, my own children have had this procedure prescribed by their medical provider and has worked wonderful, especially when a child has an allergy to antibiotic. That's a great form of treatment. I highly suggest this. I highly recommend talking to your provider about probiotics.